Hey guys, welcome. It's Richard Butler. A very impromptu quick video. I'm not even going to edit this. I just want to put it up quickly because a few people have been asking me about this. So, yesterday I did an unboxing of this, the Amazfit Sleep Buds, which are just like that. Beautiful design, beautiful case, everything. But what was my experience like? Um, it was interesting. The first thing that I have to say that was a little bit tricky was getting the right size of the actual earbud here, because the one that comes by default was a little bit big, but the problem is that I couldn't really see sizes on the actual three extra earbuds that come, three sets of earbuds that actually come. So I had to play around a little bit to put these on, and it's quite simple to put them on because you just remove this plastic bit, and this is the actual technical device here. Now, the only problem I can see is that, possibly you could lose that, or if that dropped and you stepped on it, it would be a pain in the ass, to be honest. Usage. Well, I found that the default setting of the app for the sound, I was using the beach sounds, was a little bit loud. I think it was at 67%. So I had to lower that down to about 47% because then it was a little bit noisy. And if I'm completely honest, and I like to be completely honest, I actually felt like going to the toilet when I was listening to it. Before I fell asleep, I think I got up twice to do a piss. Now I know that's too much information, guys, but you know me, it's all real when it comes to what I talk about. So the sleep experience. Well, I put them in, and honestly, I don't remember falling asleep. Now I did have Matteo did ask, well, how was the sleeping experience? Perfect. It didn't annoy me. I have been using just silicone, earbuds or ear plugs recently, and sometimes they make my ears feel a bit sweaty. Come on, we're talking about ears. We have to get real on this. So sometimes they get sweaty, and the earbuds aren't that nice in the morning, and I tend to take them out at night because they annoy me. Because where I live in Barcelona, there is a garbage truck that collects at 12:30 and then at 3:30 at night. And sometimes I wake up when I hear it. That's why I got the earbuds. With these, I heard nothing. Okay, they are not sound cancelling, so that's very important. But what they actually do is they reduce the background noise. I had set them to turn off when I actually fall asleep, and it was fabulous. Let me just one second. Let me just get my phone here. Shows you that this is completely off the cuff, and I will just show you the app here. But I fell asleep. I also have a Fitbit which tracks my sleep, and mostly the sleeping did coordinate. Now it tells me that I got, if I just have a look here, it tells me that I've got a sleep score of 88, and it does give me my heart rate. I'll show the heart rate separately. So if I just click on sleep score, it says that I got 7 hours and 6 minutes sleep. The Fitbit is telling me it was 6 hours and 43. It gives me that stat there of the deep sleep, which was 1 hour and 40, and the light sleep, which is 5 hour and 26. Sleep score 88 points. Portion of deep sleep, 23% was deep sleep, 77% was light sleep, and it gives me the average heart rate during sleep. Then it says trying to get to bed around 20 at 10 o'clock. Staying up late isn't good. Okay, well that's not good. Then it tells me my common sleeping position, and it is true that I do actually sleep on my right side. So it tells me that I turned 12 times, which my wife said she didn't notice, but I do notice when I toss and turn a little bit. And this would correlate a little bit with the actual Fitbit as well. And then it tells me that I was on my right side for 4 hours, my left side for 2 hours, and for 16 minutes I was on the supine position, which I don't know what the supine position is, to be honest. So I was quite pleased with it, and I woke up and I did actually feel quite refreshed. I did actually feel that I had slept well. It could be psychological. So I don't want to do a huge in-depth review because I think this is something that I'll do a review maybe on Monday because I'm going away for the weekend, and in a different environment with my nephew. I want to try these out to see how well I sleep. What else can I say about it? Yeah, battery life. Okay, so Is it better than the Bose SleepBuds version 1? And I did see the version 2 of those are going to be released soon. Well, I didn't have the SleepBuds version 1. Why? Because they were too expensive for me to buy. They were something like €250 or $250, so it was too expensive. So these win out on price for sure. Battery life after each night. One thing that was curious was, and I want to keep an eye on this, it seemed that one of the earbuds actually lost more battery life. I think one pair were at 50%, or one side was at 50%, the other was at 33%. So I don't know whether that's just because depending on which way you sleep, depending on how I put it in. Again, that's why I don't want to make a decision or say anything until I actually get a at least 5 or 6 days or a week testing. So I will update this video. Make sure that you sign up. I will update and launch another video, upload another video when I actually have this down for a couple of days. Anything else that Matteo asked? If you can detect the loop in the sounds. So yeah, obviously if you put on the sounds for 2 hours, can you detect the loop? And not really, well, not at all actually. There is a pattern to it. So for example, the waves I could hear, they went out and they went back in and they went out and they went back in, etc., like real waves do. So the looping was absolutely perfect on that. You didn't hear like a click and then the next one and then a click and then the next loop. So that was absolutely perfect. And there's also a lot of sounds that come with the actual headphones as well. So keep asking the questions. In the link, I've put the original review. So let me know. And make sure that you do subscribe to the channel. I don't have any fancy graphics or anything here to show you that, because I do review hardware. I review a lot of software for business and I give business tips. Talk to you very soon, guys. Bye.